You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start on the next lab. For the next lab, we'll be deleting our forward lookups or forward lookup zones completely. So on NITAADDS01, I'll click on Tools, click on DNS. And once DNS opens up, I can see my forward lookup zones here. NetSoft.com and NetSoftAcademy.com. I'm going to right click on NetSoftAcademy.com and click on delete. I'll be asked if I want to delete this. I say yes. And I will also say yes to removing it from the Active Directory completely. Now, once this is done, I'll just click on refresh here. And basically what I've done is my Active Directory no longer knows where to send the email if I want to send an email to netsoftakademy.com. My Active Directory does not have the mailbox location. And that is the thing that we have done here at the moment. Now, in a similar tune, I'll move to NITAADDS02, sign in here as the administrator. So once I'm signed in here, I open the server manager, click on Tools, click on DNS. Now, this is netsoftakademy.com. Remember, this is netsoftakademy.com. That is the domain name here. So, I'll select NetSoft, right click NetSoft, click on delete. I'll say yes to delete and yes to deleting it from the ADDS altogether. Once that is done, I'll just refresh the zones, forward lookup zones, and that's the end of the lab here. What we just did was basically we removed the information that tells the emails or that tells the Exchange servers that if they want to contact a specific server, what is the IP address of that specific server. That's what we did. And that is the end of this lab here. So I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.